In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a simple tax return with TurboTax. Before you open the software, start by gathering the documents you'll need. Set aside your W-2 forms from each employer, any 1099s for interest or dividends, social security numbers for everyone in your household, and, if you're using TurboTax for the first time, a copy of last year's return. Having these handy from the start saves time and prevents mistakes later. Next, visit the official TurboTax website and create a free account. You only need an email address to begin. Pick a strong password and, if prompted, enable security features to protect your information. Once you're in, TurboTax will guide you through an interview-style setup, asking clear, simple questions instead of making you hunt for forms. Begin by entering your personal information. Confirm your name exactly as it appears on your social security card, your address, and your filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. Add dependents if you have them, including their social security numbers. These details help TurboTax place you on the right forms and determine which credits you may qualify for. Now move to your income section. Many employers and financial institutions allow you to import W-2 and 1099 information directly, which helps reduce typos. If importing isn't available, enter the information manually exactly as it appears, matching each box and line carefully. Take a moment to review employer names, EINs, and totals so your numbers align with what the IRS has on file. TurboTax will then guide you through deductions and credits commonly used for simple returns. Based on your answers, it will check for things like student loan interest, the earned income tax credit, and the child tax credit. Read each prompt carefully and answer honestly. If something doesn't apply to you, that's fine. Skipping what you don't qualify for is part of filing accurately. When you're done, use the built-in review. TurboTax will scan your entries, flag missing or inconsistent information, and perform the math for you. Address any alerts one by one until everything is cleared. Choose how you want to file. E-file is the fastest and most convenient option, especially if you set up direct deposit. Refunds are typically received within 8 to 10 days. If you prefer, you can print and mail your return, but expect a longer processing time. After you file, watch for confirmation that the IRS has accepted your return. Keep a copy of your return and confirmation for your records. And that's it. Your simple tax filing with TurboTax is complete.